Hello everyone! By the end of this tutorial, we will know how to edit a photo or image and apply image effect for a book cover in Canva. First, let's hit create a design button and find the book cover. For now, let's choose the square one. You can try other dimension. Click Photo tool on the side panel and type van life. Then search for the photo we want. There are more exciting options for Pro subscription, as you see here. Anyway, you can click on a free 30-day trial link to get more access in the description below. Okay, I like this one. And then drag the image to this white Canva or page and resize as needed. Then go to edit the image on the toolbar. Here we can adjust the photo brightness and contrast. Let's try to auto enhance. We don't need to hit apply button since we still need to try other filter. Let's say we have photogenic, paint effect, and much more. Remember, do not hit apply button if we don't yet determine the filter we are going to use. And now, let's click autofocus. Here we can adjust the image focal point so we can blur out background and foreground to get a professional look. Then it's time to add a heading for the book. Here I type "Life as a Nomad." Okay, change the size and font. We may need the corner toggle to resize, also we need the arrow button. And change the font color. And the font effect on this toolbar. Then add a subheading for the author's name. Okay, it's better we split into 2 lines. Perfect. Okay, done. The last thing to do is download as a PDF. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.